A tip I will add for this body lotion, if you've not tried it, please try it now. Come back and thank me. Mixing your perfume oil with your body lotion, game changer, game changer. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think at this point, I don't know, I've not checked. I think by the time I upload this video, I should have reached 100 subscribers. I think, I don't know, I'm not sure, I've not checked, like I said. But if I have, thank you to my 100 subscribers. It's kind of a good thing. It's kind of it is a good thing, because I'm like getting anxious, because it's like now 100 people are watching me now. 100 people are tuning in to hear what I have to say or whatever. But like it's nerve-wracking, but it's too cool. It's too cool. So that means 200. Yeah. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to smell good all day, from morning to night to the next day. You're going to be smelling fresh. It's going to be smelling good. And this is coming from someone that normally gets compliments on how I smell. Whenever I hug someone, be like, oh, you smell good. I'm like, thank you so much. But like, there are a lot of things that come into place, that come together to actually smell good. So without wasting more of your time, let's get right into this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is laundry. Yeah, laundry, because smelling good comes from what you wear, what people can see, when you pass by, what do people scent. So I want to come with laundry. Dirty clothes has a very bad smell, and you don't want to be walking anywhere with some awful smelling clothes that you've worn for 3 days without washing. And the thing, okay, let me put this out here for our perfume sprayers and body sprayers. Please, I don't know if anyone told you this, but spraying perfume on an already dirty clothes that already smells worsens the smell of the clothes. Like, see, this is no shame to anybody, but the clothes is already dirty and you are spraying perfume on it. You are worsening the case. It might smell good at the point where you put the perfume, but if you go out into the sun and everything, that perfume mixes with the bad smell that the clothes already has, and it's just terrible. It's just terrible. So please don't spray perfume on a dirty clothes. You spray perfume on a clean clothes, not a dirty clothes. Spraying it on a dirty clothes only makes it worse. For laundry, you want to get a strong smelling soap or any detergent. That I personally use Magic, because I feel like Magic is very strong smelling. Like, you wash with Magic and your clothes will still be smelling like this is detergent. So you want to go in and pour a lot of detergent into your bowl of water that you're using to wash your clothes, or your bucket of water. So I use a lot. Let it be very, very soapy and foamy. Then you rinse out. And should I really be giving details on how to wash your clothes? But yeah, after you wash with your clothes, you want to go in with fabric softener. This is the fabric softener I use. It's the Comfort Long Lasting Freshness and Fragrance Plus Softness, 36 washes. So this can last you up to a month, or even more than a month, because it's 36 washes, unless you're washing 36 times in a month. But I'm sure everyone washes once a week or something. I wash once a week. I wash on the weekends. So this should last you for a while. So guys, let's go right into the shower routine. So you want to get you exfoliating gloves or a washcloth, not these sponges that we are using. I really thought sponges were like, cleaning the body and whatnot, till I discovered this dummies. This is what you want to get. They're a bit wet right now because I just had my shower not too long ago. So this is what we get the odor and the dirt out of your body. So you want to go in with your exfoliating glove and then your bar soap or your body wash, whichever one you use. Get it real soapy. Don't go soft on your soap. Please use a lot of soap. Well, I do use a lot of soap. So you want to get it real soapy and scrub your armpits, the back of your neck, your ears, your belly button, your feet. Please wet your feet. Wash your feet, your legs. Scrub. Rinse off and go in again. You need to do it twice. Do double cleansing. Double cleanse yourself twice. So go in again with your bar soap or your body wash and scrub. I personally use a bar soap first because that is what bar soap really does get the dirt out, and then I go in with my body wash. But I'm basically going in with my body wash just because of the scent, you know, so that when I come out of the bathroom smelling like someone that bath, you understand, smelling good, smelling quickly. Let's go into hair. So some people like to walk around with hair that is smelling or dirty hair. So you want to go in with a good smelling shampoo and conditioner. I personally use Mega Growth. Their product really smells really good, but most people don't use it. Most people use the expensive stuff. So whatever it is that you use that has a good scent, whatever shampoo and conditioner you use, I know it's more about quality than the scent, but just if you want to smell good all day, just go in with a good smelling shampoo and conditioner. And for those that are on braids, what I do when I was on braids or locks, or if I had the hair in, I will get like handkerchief, you know, soak it in water, squeeze, put small shampoo on it, get it soapy, and then go in and just like use it to clean my scalp. Use it to clean my scalp, you know, just to get rid of that sebum. I think that was our hair oil that smells, so just to get rid of that smell. I don't like my hair smelling funky or misty or dry. If I knew how to wash my hair with braids, and I would wash my hair with braids, but I've not really tried it. But I normally do this handkerchief trick that I told you guys about, just going with shampoo and handkerchief, and just, you know, clean my scalp. When you're done, you dry as normal, and then go in with your leave-in conditioner. It doesn't stop you from going with your leave-in conditioner and your oil. You can use it and really moisturize your hair and go about, and you see your hair will be smelling fresh. Moving on, now we are out of the shower. After the out of the shower, what we all normally do, you know, carry cream and rub. Some people don't like rubbing cream. I get that because of the heat, but now we are in rainy season, so you should really get your cream. Either use your body lotion, get your body lotion, you know, lotion up your body. A tip I will add for this body lotion, so if you've not tried it, please try it now. Come back and thank me. Mixing your perfume oil with your body lotion, game changer. Game changer. Game changer. If you're already doing that, you know the vibes. But if you're not, I'm giving you this tip. You know, if you're using, like me, I use the Jergens. I don't even have it here. I use Jergens body lotion, and then whenever I get a perfume oil, I'll just pour the perfume oil inside the lotion and just mix it. Or you can do, when you put some lotion in your hand, just put a little bit of perfume oil, mix it together and rub it on your body. My dear, you don't even need to put perfume after that. You are smelling mad good. So let me just put that tip out there. Mixing your perfume oil with your body lotion is a very big game changer. After lotioning up, you want to go ahead and use and spray your body spray on your skin. Yes, I said it. Get you your body spray, whatever body spray it is you use. This is the Lady Storm Breeze body mist. You want to go get that and spray all around your body where you put your body lotion. Don't put it in your eye, please. Don't drink it. So spray all around your body. After that, you want to go in with your deodorant. And I have to say, when I was little, nobody should come from. When I was little, I know it's deodorant, but now I cannot go a day without using deodorant. In fact, if I bath in the morning, I'll put the deodorant. If I bath in the night, I'll put deodorant in the night. I know I'm overdoing it, but I just can't. Like, the feeling of not having deodorant is like, when I don't put deodorant, I feel it in my bones that I have not put deodorant. And sometimes some people, you know, it happens to us. Sometimes you can just run out of the house forgetting that you've not put deodorant, and it happens to me mostly with my perfume. I might sometimes go out and forget that I forget to apply perfume. Then I go out, I'll be like, I don't put perfume. But if you are bathing well, using, you know, your clothes is clean and every other thing, your clothes will cover up from, you know, actually putting in perfume. So guys, I forgot one step. Your mouth odor is also part of your all day in day smelling good. So I already have a video about how to properly brush, you know, a proper oral routine. So I'll put the video up right here. You can go and check it out. I'm not going into details, so make sure you brush your teeth and whatnot, and use your mouthwash and floss, and use a tongue scraper to have that good mouth smell and use mint too. It's advisable to use mint. So now back on the deodorant, let me give you guys another tip of what I do. Yeah, what I do if I know I'm going out that day, I go in with my Dove deodorant, or you can just go in whatever deodorant that you use, you know, rub it in, and then you go in with a dry spray, a dry deodorant, and seal it in. This combination, there is no way that even if you sweat, your armpits will have that misty smell. I guarantee you that. I promise you. Try it out. Go in with your normal deodorant, the liquid one, rub it in. Go in well, oh, not the one you just do and remove it. Really get it in there. See me, I'm putting more deodorant just because I can't do without deodorant. Get it in there, get it well in there. Then you go in with the spray. You use the spray to seal it in. These two combination will have you smelling fire. Even if you went gymming and you are sweating, if you smell your own armpit, you can smell the combination of your liquid deodorant and your dry spray deodorant. Whatever it is that you use, you might not be using these two particular products I'm using, but whatever it is, just try these two out. Just try these tips together. I promise you, you're going to be good for the rest of the day. So after the deodorant, after using your deodorant, you want to go in and wear your clothes, and this is your fresh new clothes that you've washed with your good detergent and your fabric softener. So you want to go in with your clothes. After going with your clothes, you want to go back in and spray your body spray all over your clothes. Spray. I personally, I spray a lot, and you know, my brothers and sisters, they always complain like you are spraying too much, but I don't give a shit because I want to smell good. Or I don't just want to be smelling good for like 1 hour or 2 hours. I want to smell good from the time I leave the house to when I come back into the house. I want to be smelling fire. I want to be able to take off my clothes and still smell the good smell. You understand? So you go in with your body spray all over your clothes, When you do that, now you want to go in with your perfume and spray your actual perfume. Body spray and perfume are not the same thing, please. You know, perfume have a high concentration of perfume oil in it, while body spray have less. Perfume lasts longer than body spray. So I hope you get that. So some people think if you have spray body spray, yeah, okay. Sometimes if you have spray body, sometimes I just spray body spray and go out, to be very honest. But it's because other things are stacking up to be the body spray being just okay, you know, with my laundry, my hair, my mouth, and every other thing. So you can go with a body spray, but if you want to be like me and do more than just that, you go in with your actual perfume. So a tip I'll give, it's not a tip, I think everyone should know, but those that don't know, you want to go in with a Vaseline. Just take little Vaseline and put it in your pressure point, like here, your elbow, your neck, behind your ears, your neck, your collarbone, and behind your knee, the back of your knees. These are your pressure points. These are the places that are normally warm. They are normally warm. Whenever you touch those parts of the skin, you can tell that they are warmer than other parts of your skin. So you want to put Vaseline on those pressure points and go in with your perfume and spray it there. You know, some people, when they spray perfume here, they rub it in. Please don't rub it in. Don't rub it. You are spoiling the chemical composition of the perfume. You can just tap, or don't even tap at all. Putting Vaseline on this point allows the perfume to sit on the Vaseline. So just spray it there, spray it here, spray it at the back of your neck, and you're good to go. No, you're not good to go. When you spray there, you now spray it on your clothes again. You understand? To layer up. This is about layering. So you spray it on your clothes again, and you are good to go. So if you follow these tips I share, you're going to be smelling good all day, from when you go out to when you come back. Even if you sweat, you will still be smelling good. If someone passes, you'll be like, oh, what is she wearing? What is she wearing? Personally, I forgot to mention, personally, I do mix 2 perfumes together because I like to do too much, but you know, it's just me. But if you follow these steps I gave to you, you're going to be good, you're going to be okay. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned 1 or 2. If you did enjoy the video and you want to see more, please click the like button. Please click the like button, click on your notification bell, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Any questions you have, I will answer as fast as I possibly can. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I know I don't normally say it because I normally just put it on the screen, but please do actually follow me on my social media so I can connect with you guys. You can tell me what you want to see on my channel and I can come through for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.